Now we need to call our API to perform the CRUD operations on the product model. But wouldn't it be better if we just seed the database to give us a head start? For that, inside the project resources, if you go to the snippets folder, we have section 3. In there, we have seed product database. We will copy everything that you see here, close this, let me go back, and we will be modifying our application DB context to seed the database. In order to seed the database, we will do that by overriding the protected override. We have void on model creating. Here it will expect a parameter of model builder, and then whatever we copied from the snippet, we will paste it right here. I'm just creating 4 records here for product ID 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have given it some name, price, description, and category name. The image here is empty because I want to show you how to create a blob storage and add that image here. So I'll do that in the next video. But with this, we have seeded our data. But this should be good to populate our database by adding a new migration. It will automatically add these records. That being said, in the next video, let's first configure our blob storage.